Fat Dan again. So, it's been a while since I've made a video. I've made some, man, I've been hurting so bad. I'll explain later. Right now I want to move the mow board forward so I can pack the ground now instead of cut snow. So what I'm doing here, you have to excuse me guys, I'm really sore. Let's see, something like that there maybe. How's that? Let me take it. You hear that cat purring? Yeah, I think it likes its belly rubbed. You think you're tired of hearing that sound? Everybody in the neighborhood tired of hearing that sound. It puts its lotion on its skin. Or it gets the 1.5 inches again. Oh. So, I might have to stop making videos. I got several problems, one of which is an old surgery went bad, and my back is hamburger from stenosis. I've had several laminectomies and laminotomies and screws put in, pulled out. I wanted to put in 10 new screws. Last I talked to him, and now it's starting to inhibit my breathing and moving and walking and sleeping, and so I may have to have another surgery. And ain't even trying to move. It's the only thing I could find. I couldn't find any good stuff. Good penetrating oil. I put some grease on it before I backed it off that far. So before it cools down, then there's a type of arthritis. It's called PMR, polymyalgia rheumatica. It's for the muscles. Very technical, very little known about it. And of course, MS, which comes and goes, and then 2 or 3 of them hit at the same time. Just put you on the floor. I tripped and fell the other day, twisted a muscle in my back, and I'm really having a hard time breathing. I got a doctor's appointment soon, so. Noise. Usually, you just have to loosen the nut far enough to get this gripper back where you can slide the mow board forward. But I want to be able to do it with a ratchet and not fight it every time I do it. So this is part of the game. And we'll see if we can do it this way. Get away, bug. Time to break out the bug dope. What do you think, maybe? Oh. Yes. Okay, clean them threads off. Yeah, it kind of wiped out. But I'll slide that back here. I don't know how flat I want it. See, that's getting to know your machine is how much you want to compact it. But I've also got some other problems with the attachment here. I got some welds I got to do. There's one, and then I'm going to put a brace. Right there's one really bad. Then I'm going to put a brace like the 9K from here to here. Now the 9E had a brace from here to here, from here to here. The 9E is, I think it's the one right after this, or 99E, sorry. And maybe even the 100 horse. So in 1955. So that might be the 1955 series, but this one didn't have any, and it's broke over there too. So I might have to make a new rod. And, anyway, so it's just some welding and maintenance and everything else. Everything else looks good. Almost everything else. I've got, oh God. Take a break, guys. Okay, that went well. Let me put this here. Playing Air Force. Oh. Oh God. Oh. Let me go back one more. Yeah, that'll do it right there. Okay, now loosen the other side. And that one's just about where it needs to be, maybe. Let me take a look at the end and see what I may need to curl it some more. What about my hammer? Thanks. Oh man, you guys got smucked by the hammer. Oh, that was hammer time. Oh. Oh, Jesus. Okay. I'm gonna have to take a break. Oh. Give me a chance, give me a chance, give me a chance. Okay. One at a time, huh? Is that the way you're gonna do it? Okay. Dial them in loosely then. Almost there. I want that square with the, it's got about 2 or 3 degrees pitch forward at the cutting tip. And if I remember right, that's supposed to be parallel to the ground. So, another one or two. Oh, I went for the hammer. Oh, I went for the hammer. Two on this one. Just tighten this one up just a little. Oops. Okay, I don't think that'll give it some room to move. There, perfect, 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 perfect. Let's see. Okay. Now, the bottom of the tip of the blade is perpendicular to the ground. The ground level's like this, and the blade comes down. The tip of the blade is perpendicular. Now, it does come up like that, but so. And I've got a couple more notches to help even more to come here like this, so that it rolls it over and packs it down. So it's trial and error, guys, and this is what I'm learning. So bear with me.